Can I play music from my phone through my Vizio TV's Bluetooth connection?
Hello and welcome to this video guide. Today, we are going to discuss a very common question. Can I play music from my phone through my Vizio TV's Bluetooth connection? The quick answer is yes, you certainly can, and I'm going to walk you through the process step by step.
Is your Vizio TV Bluetooth compatible?
Before we begin, it's important to make sure your Vizio TV is Bluetooth compatible. Not all models have built-in Bluetooth technology, so please check your user manual or look up your specific model online.
Preparing your phone.
To start streaming music, make sure the music files or the music streaming app you intend to use are already installed on your phone. Also, your phone's Bluetooth function must be turned on and ready to connect.
Pairing your phone with the Vizio TV.
Firstly, navigate to the Settings menu on your Vizio TV. This is usually done by pressing the Menu or Settings button on your remote. Then, search for the Bluetooth or Device Connection option. Once you are there, set your TV to be discoverable. Next, on your phone, open the Bluetooth settings. You should see your Vizio TV listed as an available device. Select it and initiate the pairing process. You may need to enter a pairing code, but often it should connect automatically.
Playing music.
After successfully connecting your phone to your TV, all you need to do is open your music application on your phone and press play. The sound should now come out from your Vizio TV speakers. Remember that you can control the volume either with your TV remote or from your phone. And there you have it. That's how you can stream music from your phone to your Vizio TV via Bluetooth. This method allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes on a bigger sound system without any wired connection. We hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Enjoy your music, and thanks for watching.